Eisenglass. On the starboard side we've got a grill. We've got an Isotherm pull-out fridge freezer. We've got some trash storage right there. Stainless steel sink with a faucet. And some pull-out drawers underneath the sink. We've got storage underneath the sole right here. We've got back-to-back dinette seating. These seats are adjustable so we can sit facing aft to watch the skiers, watch the children in the cockpit, watch the anglers. We've got a removable table. This will go up into the bow area if you wanted to do so. And then once again we've got another seat right here with an adjustable back, so you can either sit facing forward like it's set up right now, or have it facing aft and use the dinette. We've got a walk-through windshield right here. We've got a divider right there that's going to separate the upper cockpit from the bow area. Through this acrylic door